Support rolls in to help a fat cat slim down. I'm Jen Markham on Buzz 60. An animal rescue organization in Nashville, Tennessee got quite a handful, or wheelbarrow full, when owners of this gray and white kitty named Buddha turned him into animal control because they could no longer care for him. Could no longer care for him, or no longer afford the amount of food he must have been plowing through because Buddha tips the scales at a whopping 31 pounds. How did he get so big? Volunteers at the cat shop say they think he must have been fed lots of pasta because he went straight for it when staffers tried to eat their lunches. While he certainly looks ridiculous, clearly a cat weighing 3 times what he should is no joke. So the organization created a Facebook page for Buddha and is using donations from the public to create a weight loss program complete with a strict diet and exercise on a kiddie treadmill. The shelter says once Buddha loses 12 pounds, he'll be put up for adoption. And there'll still be plenty of Buddha to love, just for a longer time. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.